The Kia EV6 comes with a tyre mobility kit in place of a spare tyre. If you have a flat tyre or you see a low tyre pressure warning in the instrument cluster, always find a safe place to park and turn on the hazard lights. Please note that the tyre mobility kit will work on small punctures on the tread area of the tyre. Now, bring out the tyre mobility kit, which is located under the trunk floor. It includes a sealant which is enough for one inflation and an air compressor with a compressor hose and a power cord for the power outlet. To get started, remove the speed warning sticker from the side of the compressor and stick it where you can see, like the passenger side windshield, to remind you to drive at a safe speed until you have the tyre replaced. Now take the sealant bottle and shake it up and down to mix the sealant inside properly. Connect the sealant bottle to the sealant bottle mounting unit. Rotate the sealant bottle to fasten it until it cannot rotate anymore. Remove the wheel air inlet cap of the punctured tyre and the inlet protective cap of the compressor hose. Now connect it to the wheel air inlet. Connect the power outlet connector of the compressor to the 12-volt power outlet. Remember to use only 180-watt power outlet. Do not use any lower power rating outlet. Put your vehicle in ready mode and turn the compressor on to inflate the tyre and release the sealant. Keep the compressor running for about 10 minutes to allow the tyre to reach a proper pressure. The recommended tyre pressure is located on a label on the driver's door jamb. Turn the compressor off, remove the tyre mobility kit from your vehicle and return it to its storage place. Now drive your Kia car for up to 3 to 10 kilometers or for 10 minutes at 80 kilometers an hour or less to evenly distribute the sealant to the inner surface of the tyre. Then safely park your car on the side of the road, turn on the hazard lights, reattach the power outlet and compressor with the power outlet connector to check the tyre pressure again. Now drive your Kia car to the nearest authorized Kia dealer or service partner to have the tyre replaced within 200 kilometers. Note that it's also a good time to pick up a new bottle of sealant as it's only good for one-time use. Drive safe with Kia.
Kia, movement that inspires.